Greetings, friends. Welcome to Premier Village at Phu Quoc. No one has done a video on this place like I have thought at this point, so I figured might as well do that while I'm here. But first and foremost, where the smell am I? Phu Quoc. It is one of the southernmost tips of Vietnam. And what's so special about it is that it butts right up against lovely Cambodia. It is an astoundingly beautiful area. Last night, sunset was ridiculous. One of the nicest sunsets I've ever seen in my life, and that's not hyperbole. It actually was the most beautiful sunset I've ever seen in my life. So what I want to do very quickly is give you a general sense for what this place is like, what you're gonna get, and the general feel of the entirety. So normally I don't go inside and show you where I'm actually staying. It's definitely lived in at this point, so apologies for any of the mess. I tend to be pretty clean, but there's still a little bit of mess. All right, so here's a quick gander from this lovely view of what this place looks like. All right, I'm gonna pop this up over here. Lovely main room. We'll wander on over into the bathroom. You got everything that you normally would find in a bathroom, right? So, tub, shower, bath. You wander on over in here and they have a lovely chaise, whatever the H-E-double toothpicks it is. This is the guest room. They also have their own bathroom. What's interesting about this bathroom in particular is what you can see is complete and total openness, not only to the rainforest, but to the little road that takes you in towards some of the restaurants and other things of that nature. So you're living free and fast in there. Total exposure. I mean, you pull those blinds down, but at the same time, part of what you want to do is be able to see some of these things. But you are set above most of the resort, which is quite nice. There is a third bedroom that's down this flight of stairs. Two little twinsies for, the little kids or other guests. Same mirror bathroom. I won't go through this, but obviously you're closer to the grounds. Then the main level. So down this little half staircase, they have a powder room, little baby bathroom over yonder. And then, of course, this is the main kitchen, main level. Front doors over here. Refrigerator, sink. Now, if you want to cook here, they actually have an upcharge to bring the utensils. So if you want your plates, your glassware, all of that, they actually will charge you to bring that. And I think the idea is that they want you, or they prefer that you would come to their restaurants and spend money there. And so they don't want to lose that revenue. All right, let's go outside just for a second. Each one of the bedrooms that we just looked at clearly has its own deck. Let's give you an example of that. So 1, 2, and then 3 up there around the corner for the primary primary bedroom. A few lounges. The little street that they have buggies, so you call the buggy or you write the buggy for them to come pick you up. Sometimes it takes upwards of 15 minutes for them to actually pick you up. And the views are stunning at this level or this area. There's a unit, there's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 units next to us on this hillside. But there's 2 bays. It's really quite interesting. So they have a east and west beach. I'm not sure which is which, to be honest. I think that's the west beach, that's the east beach. The sunset was just over there, and I don't know if you'll be able to see via the video on this, but they have one of the longest funiculars or whatever rides that go from one side of this island to another. This island has a bit of a mixed review on it in general over the last little while. That's because what they did was they created a kind of European town. There used to be kind of nothing there, but all of a sudden they built this European town, and it's all completely brand new. So restaurants, hotels, all the infrastructure. So it feels brand new. It doesn't have any sort of authenticity. Maybe some of the original flavor of that Vietnamese area was, I guess, demoed, and then they rebuilt that. So, but that said, there are also other resorts like this, at least maybe 2 or 3 others. I think this is one of the nicer ones, in my personal opinion, based on the research that I did. It is gorgeous, but it is expansive. And one of the only issues for me is I tend to be like someone who likes to get to places very quickly on my own. I am reliant upon that buggy to come pick me up. I know that they have bikes, but it's also hilly. So, and I could do that, but it is also 90 degrees most of the time all year round. So it's something to consider if you choose this place. So, in a nutshell, this is Phu Quoc. I'm going to be touring the rest of the island because clearly most of it's not like this. This is definitely unique and special. And this is vacation for me, so we'll see what it turns out to be, taking a little bit of a break. But yeah, that is this particular resort.